Meaning of marching through Georgia.
Marching through Georgia. Marching through Georgia.
Meaning of marching through Georgia. Part of speech phrase. Definitions. 1. Relating to or characteristic of a military march through the state of Georgia, involving widespread damage and suffering. 2. A reference to the notorious military campaign of 1864 undertaken by General William T. Sherman during the American Civil War. Examples. 1. The march through Georgia left the state in ruins with burned and looted towns. 2. The book vividly recounts the experiences of civilians caught up in the epic march through Georgia.
Marching through Georgia. Marching through Georgia.